Okay, guys, it's my favorite time of the week. Yes, it's Tablescape Tuesday. And guess what we're celebrating today? Yes, we're celebrating Dairy Month. Yes, June is Dairy Month. National Dairy Month is in June. And who doesn't love ice cream and yogurt and all the dairy things? I guess unless you're lactose intolerant. So, here we go. But before we start into what we've done on this beautiful table, I would like to thank Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventure for hosting Tablescape Tuesday. Their information is in my description box. Please check them out. And please go check out the playlist over the Grace Life channel because these ladies do a beautiful job on their tablescapes every week. And I'm just so happy to join them. But here we go. This is what we got on our table. We have black and white buffalo plaid napkins with my napkin ring from Temu. This came from Amazon. The tablecloth and the runner came from Amazon too. This is from Dollar Tree. And that is from Hobby Lobby. Silverware, Amazon. The black glass, that is from Dollar Tree. These are actually Dollar Tree flowers. General Dollar for the milk can, which I've had for a long time. The candle holders, Amazon, and the candles. And this was from Temu, the beaded garland. Childhood toy for the win on the cow. And so that is our Dairy Month tablescape. In the comments, you tell me what is your favorite dairy product since we're celebrating Dairy Month today on my page. This was my father's favorite time of the year because a place that he would go for hauling livestock, they would give away ice cream every Thursday for Dairy Month. So nothing better than free ice cream is what he always said.